We are pleased to welcome you on board to your TeSys Island video learning journey. Let's start with the concept. Here are the main video learning sequences. With TeSys Island, we participate with you in the fourth industrial revolution, a world where machines of the future have more and more connected products. TeSys Island redefines machine load management. The OEM machine manufacturers want to reduce their design time and cost, improve their machine efficiency, avoid machine stoppage, and monitor their energy consumption. They want to anticipate maintenance and be able to make quick decisions through easy access to relevant data. TeSys Island is the answer to these wants. It's a multifunction load management solution. It simplifies access to data through its powerful diagnostic capability. Let's learn more on the concept. TeSys Island provides an innovative and digitized solution for load management. Ready for the new age of industrial Internet of Things, it provides power control, connectivity and computed data to make informed decisions to optimize machine performance with an end-to-end user-friendly digital customer experience. EcoStruxure Motor Control Configurator, EcoStruxure Machine Expert, Operation Maintenance Tool, and EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor help reduce capital expenditures and increase machine availability and efficiency. TeSys Island relies on TeSys avatars to ease access of the electromechanical world to an automation expert. Customers will interact with the island through functions and not devices. The TeSys avatar is a digital object with a predefined logic managing associated physical modules that represents a physical function. TeSys avatars are controlled by the island's bus coupler, which is the brain of TeSys Island. It manages the communication between the PLC and the island. TeSys Island integrates with EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor, Machine Advisor and Asset Advisor, parts of the EcoStruxure apps and analytics architecture. TeSys Island is fully integrated into Schneider Electric EcoStruxure. It supports major automation field buses and is readily integrated with Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure Machine Expert, as well as Rockwell's Studio 5000 and Siemens TIA Portal. It can also be easily integrated into any third-party automation systems, making it compatible with third-party PLCs and more accessible to the OEMs. With only 20 references for the complete system, TeSys Island covers a large range of application and switching typologies with a limited number of physical objects, up to ATMs. It offers flexible protection modes from standalone switching to motor starters and application control. There are 3 bus couplers, 5 standard starters and 5 SIL starters, 3 power interface modules, 2 inputs/outputs modules, 1 voltage interface module and 1 SIL interface module. Now let's see TeSys Island in action and how it's a game changer. Let's take an example with this booster pumping machine and consider the different types of load or devices. Without TeSys Island, you need high electromechanical expertise to select the devices. With TeSys Island, the configurator tool is easy to use even by non-specialists. The bill of material is obtained quickly by selection of the function thanks to the ready-to-use library of TeSys avatars. If we focus on the star delta motor starter, here is what the automation engineer has to program without TeSys Island. Not to mention, he has also to manage the related input-output of the PLC for each contactor. With TeSys Island, the bus coupler provides only one access point for the complete island and manages the logic of the devices. This provides peace of mind for the automation engineer who can focus on the management of the load thanks to the available function block. A single communication point, all modules being connected to the bus coupler with ribbon cable, eliminates the need for control wiring, thus reducing design, installation time, as well as avoiding manual errors. TeSys Island's diagnostic capabilities give the automation engineer peace of mind, enhanced machine uptime, and improved asset management. TeSys Island monitors abnormal behavior and triggers alarms to avoid machine stoppage. The operation and maintenance tool provides web access from anywhere to the complete data of the TeSys Island. Thus, it facilitates troubleshooting management and reduces machine downtime. Thank you for watching this video. Here are the key points to remember before moving on to another episode of this series of learning videos.